Hello everyone, I am Virendra Rajput and you are watching CAD Learning Resources YouTube channel. In this AutoCAD tutorial, you will learn to draw rectangle using dimension, area and rotation method with its options such as fillet, chamfer and thickness. So let's start. To access rectangle command, click here in draw menu or type REC in the command line. This is shortcut of rectangle and click. Now click on the screen to specify the first corner and then click to specify other corner. Now suppose I want to draw rectangle by using specific length and height. So again I will click on rectangle. Now click on the screen and now you can see length is highlighted by blue color. Here I will type 200 by keyboard, and to change the height I will press tab key from the keyboard and here I will type 100 and then press enter. This is your required rectangle having length 200 mm and height 100 mm. Or again we have another option. Click on rectangle, click on the screen and now you can see three options available here: area, dimension and rotation. So you can choose it from here by click, or you can press down arrow key and select dimension and press enter. Now specify length for the rectangle. I will take 150, press enter. Now specify width. I will take 75 and press enter. Now don't press escape or enter, otherwise your rectangle will disappear. So now we have to give direction. So downward, upward, left or right. So I click on the right hand side and your rectangle is ready. So in this way you can draw rectangle by using dimension option. Use another option. Now click on rectangle, then specify first corner point by click. Now I will use area option. I will click here on area. Now enter value of the area. I will take 10,000 units, then press enter. Now we can choose between length and the width of the rectangle and having area of 10,000 units. So I will take length. So I will enter length as 150 units and press enter. So this is the rectangle which has length of 150 units and area 10,000. So we will check area by typing AREA, that is command for area, then press enter, press down arrow key and select object by enter and then select object. So you can see here area is 10,000. So now we will see third option, that is rectangle by rotation. Click on rectangle, click on the screen and now select rotation from here or press down arrow key, select rotation and press enter. Now you have to specify the angle of rotation. I will type 45 and press enter. Now I want this rectangle with some dimension, then I can select dimensions from here. So click here on the dimension or press down arrow key and select dimension, then press enter. Now specify length 100 mm, press enter. Specify width 50 mm, press enter and give the required direction. So I will click here on upside. So this is the rectangle having angle 45 degree with the horizontal and length 100 and height 50 mm. So in this way we have used three options: area, dimension and rotation to draw rectangle. Now we will see some of the options. I will click on the rectangle. Now you can see 5 options here: chamfer, elevation, fillet, thickness and width. So before drawing any rectangle, we can use any one of the option. So first we'll learn about the chamfer. So I will click here on the chamfer. So specify first chamfer distance. I will take 25, then press enter. Then specify second chamfer distance. I will type 25, press enter and click on the screen. Now you can see there are 3 options: area, dimension and rotation. So any one option you can use. I will select dimension. I will specify length 200, press enter and width 100 mm and enter. So in this way you can use chamfer option to draw rectangle like this. We will see another option. So click on rectangle. Now select fillet from here or press down arrow key and select fillet from here. Now specify fillet radius. I will take 30, then press enter. Now specify first corner by click and another corner, or press down arrow key and select dimension. Let's say length 200 mm, enter, width 100 mm, enter and click. So in this way we can use fillet option. We will see another option. Click on the rectangle. Now I will click on the width. You can change thickness of the line of the rectangle by using width or thickness. So I will click on the width and here I will type 10 units width and press enter. Now draw rectangle by usual method. Here you can see the line thickness of the rectangle line is 10 units. Thank you for watching video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.